Oxford Genetics works with companies that are developing biological drugs, things like antibodies or viruses or cells. We work with them to essentially solve the problems that they have in the discovery pipeline and the manufacturing process.
Oxford Genetics is really exciting in that it's in a space that the largest pharma and biotech companies in the world are operating in, and they're seeing that Oxford Genetics have something special and that it can really help them. So some of the recent deals they've signed are really the beginning of what this business can become.
Oxford Genetics is positioned as a solution provider. We essentially license technologies and we provide custom solutions to our customers, which allows us to solve a number of the issues that they face as they manufacture their drugs. I started the company back in 2011, originally did my PhD in developing biological type drugs, found a number of problems in the assembly and construction of those types of drugs, and so started the company as a way to try and standardize the way in which you might construct those type of molecules.
We came across Oxford Genetics really like a number of our portfolio companies that's through our network.
Mercia were playing a very active role in investing in a number of biotechs within the Oxfordshire area, and through mutual connections I originally met with the founder of Mercia, Mark Payton, who had played a very supportive role in helping a number of companies get their products through to market.
They'd come across a novel way within the genetic and synthetic biology space that we found interesting, but it was very much at seed stage.
The progress the company has made has been significant. The company was originally founded by myself in my bedroom back in 2011 and funded largely by myself in those very early years until Mercia became involved.
It's always rewarding for us to see a company right at startup really grow to now be over 70 employees. For Ryan as the CEO and founder to grow as well, because it's a vertical learning curve for him. Moving from being a scientist to an accomplished CEO, which he's done very well.
Mercia have been incredibly supportive of Oxford Genetics through our journey. The fact that the people that work within Mercia thoroughly understand our industry, they've seen successes and failures in that industry, and being on our board have been able to advise us throughout that journey strategically to make sure that we go down the right path to ensure success for the business.
We see our role as more than finance, so we provide support through our networks, through our expertise, to really help the company in any way that they want help.
What excites me about the future of Oxford Genetics is the markets in which it's operating. They're all expanding very rapidly, they're multinational, particularly strong in the US, and we're working with customers who are actually creating drugs which are genuinely going to change future human medicine. That's really exciting for us to be able to provide those tools for our customers and to be able to work with them and help with them on that journey.